Hey there, we're here with an unboxing for the S23 Ultra, which you can get in 250, 8GB or 512. I've got the 512 here. You can get it in green, lantern black, lavender or cream. Or you can go on the Samsung website and get exclusive colours like lime, blue, graphite or red. So I'm going to unbox this quick little unboxing for you here. This is the S23 Ultra, which is 6.8 inches in screen size. I'm going to open it up. Got this head shiny. So on the front here we've got a 12 megapixel selfie camera. You can go straight to the bottom here and click the pen. And then you've got a tiny little S23 Ultra pen. On the back we've got 4 cameras. You got the first one, which is 12 megapixel wide camera, 200 megapixel wide camera, 10 megapixel telephonic camera and another 10 megapixel telephonic camera. You can have food mode, night mode, super slow-mo, hyperlapse, and you've got obviously your flash, different timers and motion photo. You can do video recording in 720p, 180, 4K and obviously even better you've got 8K, which is going to be great for your pixels. And you can also get a 15-second video wallpaper. So that's the S23 Ultra, and if you have any more questions on how to use it or anything else, maybe a little bit about the app or the camera, let me know in the comments below and we'll have a little look together. Thank you for watching and see you again soon for this release of the S23 Ultra.